guys, what's going on? My name is Nick and welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are going to build a PC featuring the Intel Core i3 3rd Gen and a Radeon 5000 series GPU. Okay, so like last time, this video will be in 3 parts. The first part is where I introduce all the components I use. The second part is where I build the PC time-lapse style, and the last part is where I test the PC by playing some games. Okay, so let's introduce our parts. Okay, so for the CPU, we are using the Intel Core i3-3240. It's a third gen Intel. It has 2 cores and 4 threads at 3.5 MHz. And we are going to pair that up with an Asus H61 motherboard. This is the P8H61-M LX from Asus. It's a H61 motherboard, so it supports 2nd and the 3rd gen. It also has 2 slots of dual channel DDR3 up to 16 GB. Okay. Now for the RAM. For the RAM, we are using, like last time, 2 sticks of DDR3. Each of these are 4 GB, so combined will be 8 GB. Now for our GPU, this is really a big GPU. This is the ATI or AMD Radeon HD 5870. It's a 1 GB card. It's a blower style card. It means the fan is like this. For the ports, it has a display port, 1 display port, 1 HDMI, and 2 DVI. And it also needs 2 6-pin connector from the power supply. Okay, next. For the SSD, we are using the Adata 64 GB SSD. This is for our Windows and other programs. For mass storage, we are using the Western Digital 500 GB hard disk for our games. Okay, so next is the power supply. So the power supply is actually a really good power supply. It's from SilverStone, a 500 watts power supply, and it's 80+ brown, so it means it's efficient. So it's a good pair for our hungry power card over here. So this is the case we are using today. This is the GT301 from Asus Stuff GT301. This is my PC case before I upgraded to this, the TechWave VXC. I use this because I don't use this anymore, so might as well use this in this build. It has a side panel, a tempered glass side panel. Also have 2 USB 3, a power button, a reset button, and headphone and mic, headphone jack. So yeah, and the build quality is perfect for this. And I don't know, gonna test it later. I don't know if this GPU fit in this case, but that's the a later story. So yes, so that's all for the components. So let's start build. Okay guys, I finished building the PC. As you can see, it boots. All of the fans are running. And now I'm gonna download Windows 11, Windows 10 I mean, and play some games. Okay, let's go.
That must be the radio tower. Don't look down.
can do this. Let's see if this thing still works. Just remember Roth's training.
You can have the best formal technique in the world. But it won't mean a thing if you can't focus. The key to using any weapon is focus.
So hungry. I need to find something to eat. Sorry.
All right, Lon. You won't always have some fancy gadget to tell you where you are. If you can learn to read the land and the stars, you'll always be able to find your way home.
These will learn the difference between baptizing a man and drowning.
Granted a sword of gold.
I need to find a landmark and figure out where the hell I am.
Our prophet fills our lungs with water, so they may better love the air.
He who crossed the Delaware with flaming sword.
By the sword?
No chance, no luck. Just because the city fires don't mean it ain't got its fair share of fools. Alright. Still got a girl to find.
Instalación.
defender. Huh.
He's strong with the sword, but a bit weak at the key and the scroll.
They said I'd find her.
Telegram, Mr. DeWitt.
Huh.
Telegram for you, sir.
DeWitt, stop. Do not alert Comstock to your presence. Stop. Whatever you do, do not pick number 77. Stop. Tess.
Isaac. Isaac, can you hear me? Dana, I found Isaac Clark. Repeat, I have him.
Be careful. He's been out a long time.
Okay. Good. Steady. We gotta get you out of this straitjacket. Where am I? Alright, I know you're confused right now. But I can explain everything, but you gotta trust me, okay? Listen, you're in terrible danger.
JB's tow truck, it ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So
him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace. Oh, I'm good. Hey, dog, we be doing Simeon a good service and we ain't test these rides out. He ain't even gonna know if they could if we don't push him to the brink. You feel me? Remember, this is your Terrier's car. Yeah. We going right. But I hear you.
Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'm pretty happy with the build, and of course, like last time, I will leave the link of all components that I used to build this PC down below in the description. If you dislike the video, you know what to do, but if you like the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe, ring the bell for future videos, and I see you in the next one.